Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Unplug the extension board and remove all cords. You must confirm zero power. Next, flip the board over and locate the fuse holder or terminal cover. These are often clipped or screwed. Once found, use a small insulated screwdriver to open the compartment. Remove any plastic guard carefully so you don't dislodge nearby components. You're doing this to avoid arc or shock, and to ensure the replacement fuse matches voltage and amperage exactly. You now remove the fuse slowly. Use tweezers or the screwdriver tip to lift it straight out. Inspect it for a broken filament, dark spots, or a burnt smell to confirm it's blown. Once confirmed, compare the printed voltage and ampere ratings with your replacement. Also match slow versus fast blow characteristics because they protect differently. Before inserting the new fuse, examine the holder and nearby traces for heat damage or loose wires. Repair any burnt connections so the new fuse won't You put the new fuse in, seating it firmly and replacing the compartment cover. Tighten screws just enough to avoid stripping. Once done, plug the extension into the wall and connect a single known good device first. This limits stress and makes it easier to spot problems. Monitor for heat, smell, or immediate tripping. If the fuse blows again, unplug right away and do not continue testing. Instead, check for a short circuit, defective connected device, or internal wiring fault. Call a qualified electrician if uncertain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.